Warning! The content you're about to view could leave you penniless if neglected. Pay close attention. ChatGPT this, ChatGPT that. That's all people talk about these days. The truth is, AI is here to change the world, and people are going crazy over it. AI allowed us to make $800 to $1,300 daily in pure profit. If you don't adapt to this new way of digital living, you're in big trouble, my friend. Listen, ChatGPT gained 1 million users in 5 days and over 100 million users in just 2 months of launch. Even tech giant Google just launched its own chatbot called Bard. AI is a huge opportunity, and everyone wants to get their hands on that huge pie. Now, imagine an app that lets you launch your very own ChatGPT-like AI chatbot in 60 seconds and tap into this monstrous $136.55 billion AI market and grab your own profit share. Imagine creating an AI chatbot that has more than 50 AI features and can perform a wide variety of tasks. From writing, editing, and proofreading content in more than 55 languages to generating bug-free code and creating stunning marketing assets, such as sales copy, articles, blog posts, VSL, Facebook/YouTube ads, email, ebooks, story, and much more. It can even generate AI-based art, captivating images, and animation videos from any voice command or keyword you enter. The best part is you can launch this AI chatbot as your very own with your unique brand and style and charge people for using it monthly or yearly. It's a business in a box. I've been using it for months now to make a bit over $10,000 every single month. Now you can have a hard-coded AI app that'll give you the full potential of AI with zero limitation. Say hello to BrainBox, the world's first AI app that lets you launch your very own AI chatbot with 50 mind-blowing features that'll stun you and your customers. With BrainBox, you can forget about paying huge fees for content writers, programmers, graphic designers, language translators, book writers, video editors, SEO experts, proofreaders, customer support, and other freelancers. BrainBox handles all that for you using 100% Alexa, Siri-like voice commands or keywords in any language. Not only that, it's the only app on the market that'll give you the ability to launch your own ChatGPT-like AI chatbots and sell them to everyone else, with zero cost for you. And here's the best part. We don't do any marketing or pay for any ads. BrainBox does that too. It lines up customers who are in desperate need to buy our AI chatbots. This allows us to bank $849.54 every single day. With BrainBox, there are no restrictions, no downtime, no monthly payments. No matter what you're trying to do online, you need BrainBox. It works for affiliate marketers, e-com store owners, product owners, bloggers, influencers, video marketers, local business owners, book writers, and other niches. BrainBox replaces not just one or two, but dozens of apps like Quillbot, ClickFunnels, Writer, Midjourney, ChatGPT, Canva, and more. All of those expensive, unreliable apps are gone. Now you can use a better, faster, and way more efficient app. Hey there, I'm Saeed, and today I'm going to blow your mind by showing you how simple it is to leverage AI to drive massive traffic, leads, and sales to your business, even if you don't know anything about AI. You're just 4 clicks away from unleashing the full AI power. Step 1, log in. Log into BrainBox cloud-based app. Step 2, create. With just 1 click, create your very own ChatGPT-like AI chatbot. Step 3, launch. You're ready to charge millions of hungry customers for using your very own AI chatbot. Step 4, profit. Yep, that's it. Each chatbot we create, we get dozens of customers on a daily basis that pay us money like this to access it. Amazing. I'm sure by now you're asking yourself, how much is this going to cost me? In simple words, BrainBox is priceless. It's the first-to-market app that does everything for you, leaving one job to you: profit. I can literally charge tens of thousands of dollars for it, but I make enough money from using BrainBox, so I don't need to charge you that. I use it on a daily basis, so I don't see why I shouldn't give you access to it. So for a limited time only, I'm willing to give you full access to BrainBox for a fraction of the price, less than the price of a cheap dinner. which is enough for me to cover the cost of the servers running BrainBox, but that won't last long. While BrainBox is impossible to saturate, our servers can only handle so many users, so sadly, I'll have to limit the number of licenses I can give. After that, I'm raising the price to $997 monthly. And trust me, that day will come very, very soon. So you better act quickly and grab your copy while you can. Listen, right now, you have the option to change your life with just a few clicks. We created this for people exactly like you, to help them finally break through. And in the unlikely event that you fail to use BrainBox for any reason, we insist that you send us an email. It's simple. If you don't make money, we don't want your money. Not just that, we'll send you $200 as a gift for wasting your time. Worst case scenario, you get BrainBox and don't make any money. You'll still get paid $200 for trying it out. Click the button below and get instant access to BrainBox, plus an exclusive bundle of bonuses worth over $10,000. I'll see you inside.